Ndumiriri-ini yake ya mbere thutha wa kwihitithio ta president wa gatano wa Kenya, William Ruto ni atamburite ateti othe aria mararugamaga kuhuranira iturwa ngurani githurano-ini kia mwaka uyu na makiria mung'ethaniri wake wa hakuhi Raila Odinga na mutirithia wake Martha Karua kuria augite agukorwo agitungatira Akenya othe ataguthutukania.
Special recognition goes to my worthy competitor and friend, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and his running mate, the Honorable Martha Karua, and all the other candidates who mounted a vigorous and determined campaign. I assure them that their supporters will be my constituents. I will work with all Kenyans, irrespective of who they voted for.
Kuringana na President Ruto, demokrasi ya Kenya ni kurite na njira nene kuria Akenya monanitie kuhimbiria utongoria wa atumia amu muigana wa atumia aria marathurwo ni urongerereka.
7 women were elected as governors, up from 3 in the last election. 29 women were elected as members of the National Assembly, up from 23 in 2017. 7 women deputy governors and 3 women senators were elected as well.
President ni atogeritie commission ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni undu wa gutabania ithurano cia utheru na waragania ona thengia wa ihingica iria augite irang'etheire commission iyo. Ruto augite muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni oronanirie ucamba urugamiriri-ini wa githurano kinene.
Allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to single out the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission for special commendation for the courage to do the right thing under exceptionally challenging circumstances. As an institution, they have set a new standard in public service that is uncompromising, professional, and exemplary, while raising the bar of integrity of our public officials and public institutions.
Ruto augite thirikari yake ni guteithiriria kugacirithia commission ya IEBC na njira ya kuongerera mitambo ya kiriu iria iriteithagiriria gutabania ithurano na njira ya uhuthu na waragania. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.